Using Stripe gift cards can be a straightforward process. This guide will help you understand how to purchase, redeem, and manage gift cards through Stripe. Step 1. Create a Stripe account. To begin using Stripe gift cards, you need to have a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your account. Step 2. Set up gift card products. Once your account is active, navigate to the Products section of your dashboard. Here, you can create a new product specifically for gift cards. Fill in the necessary details such as the name, description, and price of the gift card. Step 3. Enable gift card payments. In your Stripe settings, ensure that you have enabled gift card payments. This may involve configuring payment methods and ensuring that your account is set up to accept gift card transactions. Step 4. Share gift card links. After setting up your gift card products, you can generate links or buttons that customers can use to purchase gift cards. Share these links on your website, social media, or through email marketing to promote gift card sales. Step 5. Redeem gift cards. When a customer wants to redeem a gift card, they will need to enter the gift card code during the checkout process. Ensure your checkout system is configured to accept and validate gift card codes to apply the appropriate discounts. By following these steps, you can effectively use Stripe gift cards for your business. This can enhance customer experience and provide a new revenue stream.